Hey guys, welcome back in Coding Bangla, and in this video I'll show you that how you can simply rig your vehicle for Unreal Engine, like how you can rig your vehicle in Blender and export in your Unreal Engine and you can use them. Okay, I already make a video in UFO Blender to UFO rig. Okay, so you can watch that video if you want. Also there's a comment that I press Ctrl plus Z but there's a not fix me the bones, it's big, how to fix this problem. Okay, in this video I'll show you the step by step. So I'm using right now the 2.92.0. okay, so then click on general and here is our basically cube. We'll be create a simple vehicle for our model. So let's create. Here's our basically the cube, and however guys, my zoom button is not working very goodly, like the scrolling is not working, so sorry for that. And here just think that this is our vehicle base, okay, and this is our vehicle simple, this is our vehicle base, so we call it that base. And now we need a wheel. Make sure that Unreal Engine face in the X position like this. Okay, make sure that your Y you can see and your X is in your right side, so this is the face. Okay, so we need to create like that. Okay, so make sure that your face is correctly faced for Unreal Engine. Okay, so I think this one is pretty enough good. Okay, so now what you'll be do is basically add the object section, select that object and add mesh and cylinder. Okay, we use the cylinder kind of like a wheel. Okay, so I've set it at that 100 and now we'll be rotate it to 90 degree, and now just make some just side, okay, little bit. Okay, as you can see this is our wheel, so at this position we'll be set up our wheel right now. Okay, kind of like that, and then we'll be duplicate our wheel and again set like this. Okay, and we'll be get this two wheel again, and now we'll be duplicate it and also do like this. Okay, just making a simple vehicle. Okay, as you can see this is our simple vehicle. Okay, it's very pretty enough like a vehicle. Yeah, it's a vehicle. Okay, as you can see this is our vehicle. Okay, nice. Now we need to rig the vehicle. Okay, so I already using some plugins. Okay, that UFO vehicle plugins, it's very useful. Okay, it's very easy to use and it's totally free. I will give the link in the description link below, so you can easily get them. And just after that getting zip, just click on file, edit, then add the preferences, then click on install and pick the zip. Okay, you find like this, maybe let me scroll it. Here you find like this, that UE4 vehicle, and just select it and install. Okay, then after the install, add here the search your add here the search your that UE4, or you need to maybe search that rig, maybe you can find where is the rig. Here you find like this, that general that Unreal Engine 4 vehicle rig. Okay, you find like this if you just search rig. Okay, just enable this. Okay, then you find like this at your right side. Okay, now let's set our wheels name, that this is our front one, so F left. Okay, F left, that is front left, and sorry, I'm set a wrong one. This is front right, so let it set name that F right, that is our front right, and this one is our front left, so front left, left, and then this is our back right, so back right, and this is our back left, so set it that back left, left. Okay, if my spelling is wrong, so guys please forgive me. Okay, so as you can see, this is now ready. Now we need to rig. How? Just click on this vehicle base with our base, and as you can see the FR is the front right, so just select it with this to front right, and the FL is front left, so set it that front left, and this one that RR is the right. Okay, back right, so back right, and this one is wheel RL, this is the back left. Okay, now we set the all the, as you can see it's come. Okay, so then as you can see that the rig option is not enabled. Why? Because the Blender, the unity scale is 1, but in our Unreal Engine scale is 0.1, so there's a lots of difference. So for do that you need to click on that set unity scale. Okay, as you can see there's a scale become something change. Okay, now we need to click on the rig vehicle. As you can see now it's become very big bones, as you can see. Okay, so then you need to press that upscale object. Okay, then click on upscale object and then again come back. Okay, and as you can see it's now become more big. So now press on Ctrl plus Z. Okay, as you can see now it's become down, and again come near of your vehicle and select that rig the vehicle. Okay, sorry, then again place like unrig the vehicle. Okay, just remove your rig by pressing by Ctrl plus Z, Ctrl plus Z, then again rig, sorry, upscale, and then do like rig. Okay, make sure your rig like come. Okay, if you didn't understand, let me show you again. Okay, let me press everything that okay, there's so much change. Okay, so let me show you again one more time that FL is our front right, then RR this one, and this one, oh sorry, this one. Okay, now it's done. As you can see, then you need to make sure click on set scale. Okay, then you find this rig option, click on rig, then click on upscale object, then upscale object, then click on Ctrl plus Z, unrig, then unrig. Okay, double press, just you need to remove your rig. Okay, then again click on upset, and then you need to come some like this and click on rig vehicle, and you find like this. Okay, your rig will be set up. I hope you understand. Okay, just when your bones will become very big, just press on Ctrl plus Z, Ctrl plus Z, so it will be remove your rig. Then you need to, after then your rig become hide or disable or gone, you need to click on upscale object, and you find like this that your vehicle become big. Then you can again need to press on rig, and you find like this your vehicle rig is done. As you can see, our rig is now totally working without any problem, and this is, as you can see, this is now connecting with every bones. This is the main part and this is the rig part. Okay, so yeah, now it's done. So now what we can do is we can now export this. So before do that, you need to make sure go object and select your all thing and just scroll it and make sure that it will be adjust the locations. One is done, click on files, export FBX, and you can find any location if you want. Okay, just set any location, and at your export settings, as you can see, the object type should be armature and the mesh. Make sure that you press the shift to select these things, and then go at your geometry and the normal smoothing to set it face, and then at the armature you need to just disable these that leaf bones. Okay, then you can set your model name. Okay, I'm giving it name that car F1. Okay, then click on export. Okay, now it's exported. So now come on Unreal Engine, now click on right mouse, import, and here use the car and click on open, and make sure that your skeleton body is enabled, because the skeleton body is neat for making the vehicle in Unreal Engine. Okay, then you don't need to set anything. If there's any problem in scale, you can change it. So in my case, let me click on import. As you can see, this vehicle is now come, and as you can see, this vehicle is now huge level big, because in Blender we are seeing that it's very small, but after the exporting you can see it's become very big. So we'll be just remove this thing. Okay, and also just like that, and just deleting this, and then click on import and select the object again, and then you can resize it if you want. Okay, I'm setting that 5%, 0.5, and now our vehicle become down, as you can see. Okay, done. So now you can compile and save. The vehicle rig now is complete. If you now go in your physicality, you find like this that there's give you some bones. Okay, this is the bones. Select your all bones and add here capsule, make it to single convex hole. Click on regenerate, and you find like this. Now we can simulate this, and as you can see, our vehicle, okay, it's working. It's now depending on their wheels. So that's all. I hope you like my video. If you have any question, you can comment. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.